Best margarita machines. Well, the best margarita machines are now more affordable than before, and many brands are available in the market. Choosing the right one is a catch. Welcome to Buying Guide. In this video, you'll know about the exciting features of margarita machines at the best price. You'll find the top-notch margarita machines, and so keep watching this video to the end. Without further ado, let's start! Best margarita machines. So, we've chosen the best margarita machines based on quality, features, performance, and price. Choose any of them that matches your considerations. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Margarita Machines. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Electric. We'll begin with our first product, that is Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Electric Lime Juicer and Margarita Kit. It has great features with good quality. Large capacity. The Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Electric Lime Juicer and Margarita Kit lets you make margaritas, daiquiris, smoothies, and more at home. This large capacity Julier kit will hold up to 32 ounces of your favorite margaritas, daiquiris, smoothies, Number 2. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Frozen Margarita. Then, we'll take a look at the Nostalgia Taco Tuesday 64 ounces frozen margarita for its good performance. Large capacity. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday is the perfect way to celebrate the good old days. Our 64-ounce capacity provides a lot of fun for all of you Mexico lovers. Ought to not see such a great drink again. Powerful motor. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday is the perfect way to enjoy Number 3. Bartesian Premium Cocktail. Next, we'll find out that what Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine has to offer. It has featured intelligent cocktail creation, mixologist approved drinks, and whatnot. Let's figure it out. Intelligent cocktail creation. This intelligent cocktail creation machine is perfect for the home bar with its comfortable and easy to use cup holder. Create endless craft cocktails in the comfort of home. No need to measure or pour. Number 4. Margaritaville Key West Frozen. The fourth item we'll review in this video is Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. To be honest, we loved its premium shaved ice, easy pour jar, and 4 pre-programmed drink settings capacity. Creates premium shaved ice rather. The Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker is perfect for creating frozen drinks like a tiki drink or Benedict noodles. With our easy-to-use pour jar, Number 5. Nostalgia Margarita and Slush Machine. Coming to our last presentation for today's review, we're going to review the Nostalgia Margarita and Slush Machine, which has advanced extruding methods and easy assembling. Check it out. Large capacity. Our large capacity makes up to 1 gallon of slush drinks and margaritas, perfect for parties or large gatherings. stainless steel blending cage with carry handle for a delicious and easy flow drink that is perfect for groups or parties. Our Nostalgia Margarita and Slush machine
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.